Hello everyone, I am Nidhi welcoming you to my channel Bloom Tales, where we talk about different aspects related to health and wellness. How are we feeling today? Anxious? Stressed? Unhappy? It would be so wonderful if we could all just be happy. After all, if you're not happy, does anything else really matter? Would you believe me if I told you that your happiness lies in your own very hands? If we understand the importance of these happy hormones in our body and in our brain and their impact on our mental health, then we can take active steps to increase their levels naturally. This will help to ease our pain and it will help us to overcome our problems and challenges in a better manner. We have the power to influence our mood by the choices that we make every day, and today in this video we are going to explore just how. Dopamine, the motivation and reward hormone, some people call it even the pleasure hormones. Dopamine helps in motor control and cognitive development. It helps in decision making and impulse control. It keeps us mentally alert. When we accomplish small and big tasks, when we are appreciated at work or home, or when we buy big and small things like a book or a car, the feeling of satisfaction and accomplishment that we feel is due to the release of dopamine. We must remember to appreciate others to give dopamine. Set goals for yourself and don't forget to pat yourself at a job well done. Celebrate because it is important. Protein-rich food help in dopamine stimulation. Dopamine is made in the brain in two steps. First, it converts the amino acid tyrosine to a substance called dopa and then into dopamine. So it's very important that we include protein-rich food like curd, nuts, meat, egg in our diet. We must also exercise with a goal. All these steps will ensure the stimulation of dopamine. Too little dopamine can lead to health issues like Parkinson's disease, or too much can cause conditions like schizophrenia. A word here about dopamine addiction. A lot of time, because there is a constant need for pleasure, people spend too much time on gaming, on the internet, on social media. But please remember that the more we are exposed to the exhilaration of dopamine, the more we need to pursue higher levels of stimulation to achieve the same effect. So it's very important that we regulate ourselves. There's a need for discipline here. Serotonin, the feel-good hormone produced in the gut. If you want to know more about the relation between the gut and serotonin, please refer to my previous video. The link is given in the description box. Serotonin regulates your mood, sleep, appetite, digestion and memory. So what do we do to stimulate more serotonin? Choose positive thoughts. So focus on gratitude, because when you give back to others and you develop a sharing habit, it releases more serotonin. So be generous and kind to everybody. Go out in the sun, exercise more, have a lot of dairy products, have probiotics, prebiotics, have a lot of fiber-rich produce, have foods rich in tryptophan. These foods help in the production of serotonin by the gut. Endorphins, the exercise hormone, they are the body's natural painkillers. Exercise regularly for at least 30 minutes every day. Laugh heartily, so surround yourself with your family and friends, watch funny stuff, join a laughter club. Even spicy food is considered to increase the release of endorphins. A point to remember here is never to try and stop yourself from crying, because if you do that, the body blocks its release. Oxytocin, the love hormone. If you're wondering how to release oxytocin, it's pretty simple. You don't have to eat anything specially for oxytocin, because oxytocin is released when you engage in caring relationships and have a loving community around you. So indulge in romance, invest in relationships, build friendships, have pets, express your love. Thus we see that happiness hormones are a reflection of our environment, relationship, diet, exercise regime and even our gut. So our takeaway from this video is exercise daily, set goals for yourself and celebrate them. Don't let the stress distress you. Start a hobby, laugh, forget and forgive. Don't dwell on the past. Accept your negative feelings and don't be harsh on yourself. Learn to relax, listen to music, meditate, sleep well, get a massage. Build a happy habit in your brain for a happy you. If you like this video, do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.